crazy early this morning. Got out of bed at 4:30. Hit the road so that I could take my razor to go have an enclosure put on it. The lady I'm taking it to is about 2 hours away. Ugh, I am so tired. I'm not used to getting up this early. All right, so today we'll be just dropping it off, and then in a few days we'll pick it up and see how things are. Kind of excited to get an enclosure for winter. All right, see ya. Finally made it. It's still very dark out. It's still really early. Gonna get it off the trailer.
A few moments later.
What's up, y'all? I'm excited. Right now we're heading back to go pick up the razor. The enclosure is finally done. Really excited about picking this up and seeing how it works and whatnot. And hey man, we'll be there in a few minutes. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I am here with Nita. We're finally here to pick up the razor. The razor is done. We got the canvas on, so she's gonna tell us a little bit about her business. So say hello to Nita.
Hello guys.
All right, so you want to tell us a little bit about the business?
Yeah, this business, I've been doing it for about 20 years. Started in boats.
Okay.
And it just we had a customer who had a Pro Armor soft enclosure and wanted us to make it better. So
Oh, okay.
that's how we got into it.
You do all sorts of side-by-sides?
Every kind.
Okay,
yeah.
so Can-Ams, Kawasaki's.
Yamaha, Kawasaki.
It doesn't really matter what it is.
No.
And right now you're working on mine. So
Yeah, I got a General coming in. I haven't got a pattern for it yet, but it's coming in. I'll have one soon.
And you called mine the Unicorn. Now, why did you call it the Unicorn?
Well, because I've been looking since the beginning of last season. I knew these were out there, and I have been trying to get one here because I try to get them as early when they come out. I like to get them, and
right.
Couldn't get one around here.
Nobody had one, huh?
No one had one.
That's
and
crazy.
So here we are. I'm glad you answered the call. The bat signal was put out.
That's cool. I'm glad I was able to help.
Our neighbor over there, they're A2Z blasting.
Okay,
and she was the one who posted it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
okay.
she posted it. And I just been over here for like a few months. And so we're like across, and we have the same name, A2Z.
That's
so
funny.
That's awesome. Yeah,
That's
so
funny.
they've been really good friends and supporters, and I even did their canvas.
Okay, cool.
Before they went to Windrock.
Okay,
so,
cool. Well, cool. You want to show me how this thing works? I mean, I don't know how to use it.
Okay, so to get in, you don't have to undo any of the snaps. We try to make it where you just use a zipper, and you come about the back corner,
yeah,
just a little half, and you can flip it out, and you just reach in, open it up.
Oh, that's nice.
And you're in.
That's nice.
And they come completely out. It's a separating end zipper, so you can take
You can
the
run it
window
without
out.
the window.
Yeah, so you can leave the canvas on these days that maybe a pop-up storm, or this time of year, you're gonna have some warm days, some cold days.
Yep.
Mornings are cold, afternoons are warm. So you can leave your windows at the camp, go,
yeah,
or have them.
So the rear works the same way?
Yes. Now this one was tricky because of the because they made the door come past this bar.
Oh,
so,
yeah.
So that's what the challenge was. I
Okay.
was telling you about. So you just reach in here, bam.
Ah,
And you got
okay.
this nice little bungee here, holding it down to the frame.
Okay.
So it keeps everything tight.
Nice.
So they open independently.
Nice. All right. Now, when I want to take it, if I want to take it all off.
Okay. We just loosen the bolts.
Okay.
And
on the roof.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, just have to loosen them. You don't have to take them. You might not even have to take it off, but to put it on, you definitely would have to loosen them to get the straps back in. There's these 1-inch Velcro. This is lined with Velcro.
Okay.
So it just goes around and Velcros back to itself.
Okay.
And so you just shoot it through and it goes back, and you have a strap.
Oh, I see. So it's a Velcro.
One wrap.
Okay. And then you just Velcro this to that.
because this is the loop that's sewn in, and you put the hook. Yeah, that's the hook.
Oh, that's cool.
And so that just boom.
Oh, that makes it easy.
Yes, and it is easy.
Yeah.
It really is. And with the plastic doors, these come with the snaps in the canvas. So what you do, you just put the loops. You line up your back edge. You just kind of get the front, just kind of get it on there, and then you run your loops through. And there's a strap that runs front to back, so it's nice and tight. And so anything that comes off, so it's holding on. So if anything comes loose, the thing is not coming off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So a lot of people will trailer with these.
Okay.
I don't recommend it.
Okay.
But it's yours. You can do whatever you want.
So am I good to trailer it back home? Okay. All right. I think the last question is there any like maintenance things that I got to worry about, or
this is a marine grade canvas.
Okay.
So it's got the mildew inhibitors and repellents those stains and stuff. It does a pretty good job, but mud is mud and it will stain.
Okay.
But I've been repairing these. Like we will repair the zippers. Like if like the end of the season you got these windows a little scratched up and you want new ones.
Yeah.
I get you a new zipper.
Yeah, and you could just replace
panel.
you could just replace that panel. Hey, that's nice.
Yeah.
And I mean the zippers seem like it worked pretty good.
Yeah.
I mean it's
and
flows
you know
pretty
in
easily.
the corners you just gotta be a little careful because they are puckered up because you're making these tight radiuses.
Sure.
So you're just calm down. Just be gentle. It's canvas. It's not metal.
And I like what you did with my mirror here. That's good. That works nice.
Yeah. Mirror cutouts are normally about 6 inches from the mounting point of the frame. That's normally where, if you order one online, you ask for mirror cutouts, that's where it's going to be unless it's specified differently.
Okay. I just happen to have mine already
Yours was there, so that's what we had to deal with.
Perfect. Okay.
So, yeah.
Well, awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. This is great.
Enjoy.
It looks awesome.
I want some muddy pictures.
Okay.
Eventually.
And we're loaded. All right, y'all. Time to get her back home.